Hi everyone and welcome to Skinmart. My name is Susan and today I'll be talking to you about PCA C-Quench Antioxidant Serum. Now the C-Quench serum is a powerful vitamin C serum that protects, hydrates, brightens and nourishes your skin. This exceptional antioxidant serum also contains humectants that attract and bind water to the skin, while other key ingredients address signs of aging, including fine lines and wrinkles. C-Quench contains multiple antioxidants and botanicals such as orange oil, black currant seed oil and lilac leaf extract, which offer superior protection from aging, UV rays and other external offenders, along with vitamin C, an antioxidant that minimizes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while promoting an even skin tone. Now the C-Quench is suitable for an aging skin, sun damaged, dehydrated and skins concerned with pigmentation. To use the C-Quench, it would be used after cleansing and toning. You would apply 1 or 2 pumps to the entire face and neck twice daily for maximum results. The C-Quench works great with your weightless hydration during the day, and at night time you could also use something a little bit heavier like their collagen hydrator. So if you would like to purchase the C-Quench Antioxidant Serum, please go to our website at skinmart.com.au or simply click on the link below. Also, I'd like to mention that Skinmart now are offering face-to-face skin consultations. If you would like to organise that, you can do that online.